Hey guys, I'm Maureen from Competenz.
Hi, I'm Lulu from Competenz.
And the reason that I joined the course, the GoodYarn course, is because it's something that I'm passionate about. It's particularly prudent at the moment with COVID and we need to work from home.
What I enjoyed about the session was giving me the tools that I needed to be able to talk to someone who I identified as being, someone that possibly needed help, someone that's in need of help. And before I didn't have those tools, but we've been given those tools during the session, and I like how it's relatable,
Yeah, because it's the 5 ways to wellbeing.
But yeah, the tools are really great. It's equipped me.
And would we recommend it? Totally. And the reason that we'd recommend it is because you can use it for both our colleagues in the workplace, and we've also found that we can probably use a lot of these tools, particularly the 5 ways to wellbeing, for our family and friends as well.
Yeah, so not just only us, everyone else, your family, your whānau, people in your bubble, people outside of your bubble. So yeah,
Thank
it's really
you.
good. Thanks, GoodYarn.